Assalamu alaikum. I am Miftahul Jannat. Today I am talking about computer networks. A computer network is a system where multiple computers are interconnected to share information, software, hardware, and other resources. The concept of networking developed with ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. ARPANET was the first network to use packet switching and TCP or IP. With the internet connections in homes and offices, its popularity grew rapidly. In 1991, the WWW or World Wide Web made information sharing accessible to the general public. WWW was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. The World Wide Web is the part of the Internet that we use when we open a website in our browser. Networks allow for the efficient exchange of data, enabling applications like email, file sharing, and internet browsing. There are several types of computer networks like PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN. It categorized mainly by size, purpose, and geographic range. PAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. A PAN is a small network used for connecting devices within a very short range, typically a few meters, around a single person. It allows communication and data exchange between personal electronic devices like Bluetooth between our phone and headphones, smartwatch connected to a phone. LAN stands for Local Area Network. A LAN is a network that connects computers and other devices within a limited area, such as home, office, school, campus, data center. For example, computers and printers connected within a school lab. And then start MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. A MAN is a type of computer network that connects multiple LANs across a city, large campus, or metropolitan area. It is larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN. For example, city-wide Wi-Fi network. And then WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. A1 is a telecommunication network that covers a broad area such as multiple cities, countries, or even continents. It connects multiple lanes and mains over large distances using public or leased communication lines. Including satellites, fiber optics, or the internet. The internet itself is the largest one in existence. Key components of a network. Computers don't understand human language directly. To send messages like text, images, videos over a network, they must be converted into binary form, the only language computers can understand. Firstly, message encoding. Message encoding is the process of converting data into a specific format that the data can be safely, efficiently, and accurately sent by the receiving device. Message formatting. Message formatting is organizing data into a structured format so it can be correctly interpreted. And encapsulation is wrapping that data with necessary headers or trailers as it travels through network layers for delivery. Message size. Message size. Uh, a message is a unit of data that is transmitted from a source to a destination over the network. Message size means long messages are broken into smaller packets. A standard SMS or short message service can carry 160 characters. Unicast, one-to-one communication. A single sender sends data to a single specific receiver, such as web browsing, file transfer. Second, multicast, one-to-many communication. A sender sends data to a group of interested receivers. For example, online gaming updates sent to specific players. Last is broadcast, one-to-all communication. A sender sends data to all devices on the network. For example, ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. Request in a LAN. There are several types of commonly used network devices, such as hub, switch, router, modem, access point, etc. At first, hub. A hub is a basic networking device that connects multiple computers or network devices in a local area network or LAN. And second, switch. A switch is a networking device that connects multiple devices in a local area network and intelligently forwards data only to the intended recipient device. Router. A router is a networking device that connects multiple networks together and routes data between them based on IP addresses. Then modem. A modem is a device that connects your home or office network to your internet service provider or ISP. Its main job is to convert digital data from your devices into signals suitable for your ISP's infrastructure and vice versa. Access point. An access point is a device that allows wireless devices to connect to a wired network using Wi-Fi. It acts like a bridge between wireless clients and the wired Ethernet network. There are three main data transmission modes, such as simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. At first, simplex. Simplex communication is a one-way communication method in which data is transmitted in only one direction, like TV broadcast and radio. Second, half duplex. Half duplex communication allows both the sender and receiver to transmit data but one way at a time, like walkie talkie. Full duplex. Full duplex allows devices to transmit and receive data at the same time, like a telephone conversation. There are six main types of network topologies, such as bus topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. Firstly, bus topology. Bus topology connects all devices to a single central cable. A disadvantage of bus topology is its limited cable length. Then ring topology. Ring topology connects each device to two others in a circular layout. Data travels from one device to the next until it reaches its destination. It is better than bus topology. And then star topology. Star topology is a network layout where all devices are connected to a central device like hub, switch, or router. Next is tree topology. Tree topology is a hierarchical network structure that combines characteristics of both star topology and bus topology. Then mesh topology. Mesh topology is a network setup where each node is connected to every other node, allowing multiple routes for data to travel. It is better than other topologies. And last is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a network structure that combines multiple topologies to create a more efficient and flexible network. Next topic is key protocols and their functions. First, TCP or IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and IP stands for Internet Protocol. TCP or IP is a set of protocols that define how data should be packaged, addressed, transmitted, routed, and received over networks. Then HTTP or HTTPS. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Service. HTTP or HTTPS allows web browsers and servers to communicate and uh, transfer web pages, images, videos, and other content. Then FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. FTP is a protocol that allows users to upload, download, rename, delete, and manage files on remote servers. Next, SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is the standard protocol used to send emails from one server to another over the internet. DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name System. DNS converts domain names into IP addresses. Next, DHCP. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP is a network management used to automatically assign IP addresses and other network settings to devices on a network like gateway. And then SSH. SSH stands for Secure Shell. It provides secure, encrypted remote access to devices. And last one is SNMP. SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. SNMP is a standard protocol used to monitor and manage devices on a network like routers, printers, and more. Understanding the OSI 7 layer model. OSI model stands for Open Systems Interconnection. It is a theoretical framework that defines how data is transmitted over a network into 7 layers. There are 7 layers of OSI model. First one is physical layer. Physical layer transmits raw bit stream over the physical medium, like cable. And second one is data link layer. Data link layer defines the format of data on the network, like Wi-Fi. Number 3 is network layer. Network layer decides which physical path the data will take, like IP or Internet Protocol. Number 4 is transport layer. Transport layer transmits data using transmission protocols, including TCP and UDP. The fifth one is session layer. Session layer maintains connections and is responsible for controlling ports and sessions. Sixth is presentation layer. Presentation layer ensures that data is in a usable format and is where data encryption occurs. And the last one is application layer. Human computer interaction layer, where applications can access the network services like HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And this is the conclusion. Uh, Computer networks connect people, devices. Today, Networking has become an essential part of our lives, connecting individuals, businesses, governments, communities, and devices worldwide. Computer networks connect people, devices, and ideas across the world. From small personal networks to the global network, they keep us connected. With the help of network devices and protocols, communication becomes smooth and secure. The OSI model gives us a simple way to understand how data flows. Networking is not just about machines, it's about bringing people closer together in a connected world. Thank you for listening my presentation and for connecting with me. Assalamu alaikum.